Action!
Jade.
I keep describing Vertical as soap opera in a nutshell, or soap opera in cocaine. Yeah, we're so fast. Every second there's a story happening.
Action rehearsal!
Yeah, much better.
Good. Sorry, I want to use your restroom.
So you...
Right now, it feels like this is the future of the way that people are getting dramatic content, right? So I think many actors and many people in Hollywood, and on both coasts, I should say, are kind of waking up to how awesome this format is, and how many different types of stories you can tell, and I think it's very exciting.
Vincent's on set.
First you
I didn't know that she is here in this room.
You suspicious.
How can they compete with us? We have 30 days. 30 days we get a show together. Hollywood have 2 years. We already made 500 shows by the time they made their first shows. Who is the future?
Through the last 2 years, while Vertical is kind of blooming in Hollywood, a lot of people are in that transition. Like I know a lot of friends, they they know that Vertical is giving a lot of their friends jobs, but they're still deciding if I should go into it. And then slowly more and more people are going into this industry because we all have our bills to pay, and then this is paying our bills.